In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create clipping mask effects in Canva. A clipping mask lets you display a photo or graphic inside a defined shape, like a circle, a letter, or a custom silhouette, while hiding everything outside the edges. It's perfect for eye-catching thumbnails, headers, and social posts. With your design open in Canva, head to the left-hand toolbar and open Apps. This is where Canva keeps extra tools that extend what you can do on the canvas. In the search field at the top of the Apps panel, type Clipping Mask. You'll see an option called Clipping Mask appear in the results. Click it to launch the tool. Next, choose the image you want to place inside a mask. Click the image you plan to use. This can be something already on your canvas, a file from your uploads, or a photo from your library. Pick the one that best matches the shape you have in mind. Images with clear subjects and generous margins tend to crop more cleanly. When you're ready, click Start Masking. This opens the masking workflow so you can define how the image will be revealed. You'll be prompted to select a shape. Browse the available shapes and select the one that suits your layout. Geometric shapes are great for clean, modern looks, while organic shapes can feel more playful. If your subject is off-center, consider a taller or wider shape to keep key details visible. After choosing the shape, click Add to Design. Canva will place the masked image onto your current page. From there, you can move it, resize it by dragging the corners, or align it with other elements using Canva's smart guides. If the subject isn't sitting exactly where you want inside the shape, try reselecting the image within the mask and nudging it until the focal point is framed nicely. A few quick pointers as you wrap up. Higher resolution images stay crisp when resized. Zoom in to check edges, and adjust if you see any unintended cropping. And keep some breathing room around text so the mask doesn't compete with your message. Consistency also helps. Using the same shape across multiple images creates a polished, branded look. That's it. You've created a clean clipping mask effect in Canva using the Apps panel, the clipping mask tool, your chosen image, start masking, your selected shape, and add to design. Save your work, and you're ready to share.